Guys, how are you today? Today I wanna show you how to use DaFit for smartwatches. So you search here DaFit, and I already downloaded this, and you can open here, and you have not linked a device. You need to be linked to your device. Here's your profile. You need to add your device. First we can do to add, click on here, and my watch is here, F22E. Now I click on it, and as you can see, my watch is connected to my phone. Now you can see here is showing my battery 78%. Watch faces, I can use any kind of wallpapers. If I want to choose, I can choose myself. And here's more faces to watch. I can use anyone. Let me show you. Here is a little network problem. So as you can see, I can use any watch wallpaper. Here is notification. You can use notifications for phone. You can allow. Click on allow again. If you can allow from here, you get notifications at your watch. I can also click on WhatsApp, enable. I can click on here DaFit, then I get my notification for WhatsApp, allow. Now I go back. Here is others. I click on other, and here I can click on don't disturb. Here is more settings. Here is language. If you want to change your language, I'm comfortable with English, so I can choose English. If you want to reset your all data, you can reset from here. Quick view, valid period, all day. It is showing about weather, city. You can set it yourself. You can go back. Here is profile. You can choose gender, your date of birth, height, weight, step length, about for privacy. I can go back. This one is just simply, if you like a video, you can get thumbs up and like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.